So not good enough.
10 Europe.
We only did in British
10 Europe. I'm rolling up the 10 Europes now, and I will snort the soap.
Just get on with it, you little blender.
Shut your cunt, because you ain't going to have battery in this phone. So. Okay. Salt. Is that what you said, man? Big brother. I hope you don't know anything.
I think it hurts my nose. Adam is mostly dragging this out forever. I've had this salt in my hand for 2 hours.
Proper marinated your arm.
Wait, what? Don't sniff my skin up.
That's it.
Yeah, unless you can put it up my nose. Big brother, I'm disappointed in the way you have injured my health.
Big brother found it amusing. Big brother says, eat my shit, you so insult you. Adam, how you feeling after your this is your big brother interview?
Big brother's little brother. I'm not happy about having to do my task, but I hope that everyone will realise when the voting comes, I'm going to sneeze.
You done your bit, Adam, yeah?
Right, what's a reasonable time to down a can of beer?
Yes.
No, I'm thinking 15.
10, 15, yeah.
15.
Reasonable time to down a can of beer.
Yeah, I'll take
What is
15.
this for going? Yeah. 15 seconds?
Yeah.
No, 30 seconds.
Oh, it's a can though, isn't it?
It's a can. 30 seconds. Down in one can.
I'll do it. You do it a piece. Do it a piece of piss.
Oh, right.
Not that. No, not heavy. Doing what piss?
Yeah.
He's got another 5
I
or
was
6.
thinking, what are you talking about?
No. I'm saying they're getting told off. Alan, what are you doing? Why are you signing it? Alan wants to be.
What?
Oh, the security guard telling them to be.
Yeah.
Does he live in that little
hut? I don't know, I think it's like, if he's facing that hut, then someone's task got to be to wake him up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, he's shushing little girls. This is on shushing stuff.
You come here to have fun. You don't come here to be quiet and
Jack.
sit
Hello,
down and
mate.
be old and boring.
Becky, gone to bed.
What do you think?
When you go and wake her up?
Yeah, please, I will, if you don't mind.